Hello, America. Good to see you again. Today, we're going to be talking about, hey, I think I need a CPA. I want to give you a few tips to help you decide if a CPA is worth it for you and whether or not you need a CPA. And perhaps if you want to work with Max Drew CPA coming out of Sacramento, California, offering services remotely to the entire US of A, fully licensed to do that. Now, today I want to talk a little bit about the availability of CPAs doing taxes in America. For about every 10,000 people in America looking for a CPA, there's probably going to be about one licensed CPA per 10,000 people in a given population. So that being said, a lot of times people call me up and they have one question: what's your price? Okay. And the second question they have, what's your price? And the only question they seem to have is, what's your price? Well, believe it or not, that's not really the question I want to hear. Not because I don't want to give you my price, but because first of all, I want to figure out what we can do to help you out and what services and what service level would benefit you the most financially and tax-wise. So a good question for a CPA might be, what can you do to help me improve my financial and tax situation? And a second question might be, what makes you different or your approach different from what I would find working with other financial or tax professionals? Once we've established that and you do feel like you can get a win out of it, we like to follow the Win 3 philosophy. Number one win is you're feeling like you're working with somebody that you know, like, and trust. The second one is that me as your CPA provider, that I can offer you the services and you're willing to pay a fee that allows me to operate my business and perhaps let me have a retirement myself. I'm not always rushing to the bottom to give you the lowest possible price level and undercut everyone else, but my fees are very competitive. So if you're looking for that bottom dollar person, that's fine. Maybe you're even better doing it off free or yourself. But in our world, call me crazy, but we're looking for the cash and financial benefit that you get, considering the fees that you pay and looking to see if there's a net benefit. So if your only equation concentration is what's the cost, and you have no idea or no consideration of any potential benefit that can be built around providing you services, then, that's fine. That's what those free things are out there for. They don't have to care about being a fiduciary for you. Now, the next thing is we want the third part of the Win 3 philosophy is that my staff enjoys working with you and that they're also feeling respected, that everybody works well together and we're having a good time. So if you're looking for a CPA that you can know, like, and trust, that you enjoy working with, that is a fiduciary having your best interest in mind and giving you a competitive price, I encourage you to book a free consultation with us. We'll tell you a little bit more about our services and how we can help you. And if you feel like it's something you want to know more about, I encourage you to book the follow-up appointment immediately, because if you're kind of like, well, think about it, like you're doing us some kind of a huge favor, really, it kind of ignites the energy. And to me, it's like, hey, I don't know if I really need this. But we do show some enthusiasm, being welcoming to say, hey, we're happy to help you if you're looking for the type of relationship and service we can offer. Max Drew CPA, hope you're having a wonderful day. Would love to get to know you if you're looking for a Win 3 type relationship with your CPA. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.
Follow, message us, or scan the QR code on the screen to learn more.